Valley pretty warm this afternoon. Temperatures above 90 in the upper valley. Still a little cooler in Cameron and Wilsey counties, but it does look like we'll be fairly warm the next couple days coming up. So 92 in Rio Grande City right now, but 82 in McAllen. It's kind of been dropping back a bit now from the upper 80s into the lower 80s. Down to 82 in Harlingen, down to 79 in Brownsville. So a warm day all around, but the hottest days this week appear to be tomorrow and Wednesday, when a good chunk of at least the upper half of the valley has a chance to hit 90 degrees, and at least in the 80s in the lower valley. Winds kind of breezy this afternoon, but once you get out into Starr County, the winds drop off. So mostly in Starr County, it's pretty quiet. The farther you get eastward, the breezier it gets. And you see the winds right now, the gusts still around 30 miles per hour or higher, and that's bringing up warm temperatures, higher humidity. And with humidity in the air, we may actually see some fog later tonight, but dew points are up into the upper 60s. The higher the number, the muggier it feels. So not back to that summertime humidity level, but not feeling like winter either out there with a warm, muggy, breezy afternoon. Evening planner looks pretty clear initially, maybe a few clouds, but mainly clear. Temperatures in the 70s to start, but as we drop down closer to 70 and cooler late tonight, we could start to see some clouds form. Late tonight, there may be some low clouds and fog, so don't be surprised to wake up at least some patchy fog around the area near sunrise, but most of the evening looks pretty clear with very few clouds. Now, the satellite radar shows some clouds passing by toward the north, and there are a few puffy clouds in the valley skies this afternoon, but most of those will just kind of fall apart as the evening unfolds toward sunset. So most of the clouds passing toward the north and no rain out there. Future track shows, again, most of the clouds kind of thinning out more this evening. It does keep some clouds around until 11, but I think we're looking at mostly clear evening and then maybe clouds late at night, some patchy fog toward sunrise. So maybe not fog everywhere, but there could be some patches of thick fog in spots tomorrow morning briefly, and then we're back into sunshine. A warm day, temperatures at least in the 80s, but there's a good chance we could touch 90 degrees or hotter from, say, roughly about eastern Hidalgo County toward the west into Starr County. So a very warm day. And then even Wednesday looks about the same. Some clouds or maybe patchy fog in the morning, and then sunshine comes back and it gets very warm again. Temperatures back close to 90 in some areas, and at least in the 80s in the lower valley. And by the time we get to Thursday, a cold front's coming, but oh, hold on here. We're not talking about big cold front. We're talking about getting rid of the 90-degree stuff. So temperatures probably still close to 80 on Thursday, but with more clouds around, light northerly breeze, it should make it feel cooler out there with a little drop in humidity. So that might be about the coolest weather we can squeak out this week. Future track temperatures late tonight shows temperatures falling to the upper 60s and lower 70s, and by morning we're in the 60s and 70s, but near 80 or better by lunchtime. Upper 80s to near 90 in most areas by late in the afternoon. So again, a day tomorrow will be, Tuesday will be at least as warm or warmer than today. And your first 1570 forecast, we'll call it very warm on Tuesday. We could have gone with hot, but no, we're stopping with very warm. Wednesday still around 92. And then by the time we get to the day on Thursday, we start to drop because of that cold front. But again, it's not a cold front. It's like a not so hot front with clouds around. Highs still close to 80 degrees, and even Friday not too warm, but then we warm it right back up well into the 80s Saturday and Sunday. A stronger cold front. Again, we're not talking about cold, but one with a little more punch.
Yeah. Cool-ish,
yeah.
Not as hot-ish front.
Just not sweating as much. Yeah.
There you go.
But we can actually see some showers next week by about Monday.
Oh, okay. All right, Alan. Thanks so much.